area is pre-assembling area, welding, pre-assembling fan motor, separator, and fan brake, and PCB so on. Let's go.
Yeah. Wow, there are many pressure gauge. Pressure gauges are treated the same for 72 hours with nose, marking pressure status. Leakage can be easily found during this process. And can you see this? This inject the nitrogen to the pressure gauge to keep 72 hours to check a leakage. Yeah.
And this is our PCB test room. And follow me. And this is inspection equipment of a PCB. Our staff is carefully to testing the PCB. Now you can see they simulate the testing as the real-time data are showing this time.
Yeah. PCB agent room.
And this part assemble electronic components and QC checked. Electronic parts will be assembling in the PCB room and sending it to the PCB room to test. QC checks every electronic part carefully before sending them for heat-pump production. Inspection equipment of flow switch. These are the ones equipment is for water flow switch testing. Real-time data will be showing this time. And we have the marking sheets to recording the operating process. He has the biggest warehouse to restore the material of the heat. And all the material, as you can see,